Hi, I'm Eric with 1073 Crypto. If you've been here before, welcome back. If this is your first time, glad to have you. And if you're tuning in today, you want to know how can you earn free crypto on crypto.com. Now, if you see all the previous video, told you about the referral link for crypto.com where you can get free crypto that way. But you can also get free crypto inside the app itself. Now, if you do me a big favor, hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps out my channel a lot. And now I'm going to help you and tell you how you can get some free crypto at crypto.com. All right, let's get started. Go into the app. Right here on the main page. Of course, you already know about the referral where you can get $25 in crypto. But if you scroll down, you'll see missions. Click on missions. In here is the diamond vault where you can show how many diamonds that you've earned. The store, this is the mission control, which is basically it's like the diamonds that you are getting ready to earn. They'll stick them in there and then you can take them and transfer them from there to your vault. If you click on exploration, you scroll down. These I've already done. Right now they're just a one-time deal, so you do those and you're done with them. You click on daily. On daily you can see I've got 9 hours and 42 minutes left before I can do that one again, and that's where you can click on it daily and get 1 diamond. If you sell or buy $20 of crypto, you'll get 5 diamonds. If you do buy or sell 500 in a day, 60 diamonds. I can't remember what this one is, but this one, it's like once a month. And for that one, all you do is you come down here to the university where it's just articles and stuff about crypto, NFTs and stuff. You click on it, read an article, and then you earn the diamonds. I can't remember if it's 5 or 3. So after you earn your diamonds, you'd see them right here. And then this will change to like store in vault. So you'd hit it and then you're going to come here to vault. You can see in here I got 27 diamonds. It shows you every time that you earn diamonds. And rewards, this is what I've got with my diamonds so far. See, I got a silver box, I got 1.1. And what'll happen, it'll stay right here, kind of like a little mini wallet. But you can withdraw it to your main crypto.com wallet where you can sell and trade or whatever you want to do with it or hold it. So it shows you, like, here's a little silver box. That one had 0.9 CRO, which is the crypto.com token. You can see I haven't been doing it long at all. Hit the back button. You see it's got store, and I come back to the main page, you can see the store right here, so you can click on it. And like this box is 25 diamonds. You can see I got 27. So I'll show you. I'll go ahead and redeem this one. So redeem it. Yes. Got a silver box. See what we got. I got 1.1 CRO. So, cool. Got some free crypto. Now, coming back over to the vault. And the vault, my rewards. See, that's how much, that's my reward balance right now. But I can withdraw it, and it'll just go to my regular wallet. Come back out and you can see that the 25 has been taken from the 27, so now I've only got 2 diamonds left. And if you come down here to accounts, when you say withdraw, this is where it's going. It's going to your crypto wallet. So it would like show up right here. But that's it. On the home screen, You open up, just scroll down, and missions. That's how you earn free crypto. Don't cost you nothing but time. And there you go. It's just that easy. Go on there, hit the mission section every day, and just stay up, and those little diamonds will add up for you. You get free crypto. It takes us some time. But I really appreciate you tuning in. I hope it helped you out. Hope you learned something. If you could, hit that like and subscribe button. It'll help me out a lot. And as always, stay safe.